My channel. This is Aranya here and you are watching India Mata. Welcome back to a new makeover video जहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ how to decorate your home office space in a very cozy manner. Now ये जो वीडियो है आज से 3 महीने पहले before lockdown मैं शूट करने वाली थी and I ordered one table from West Side. But because this lockdown started, it never came to my home in time. And after the lockdown ended, we went to West Side to get the table and saw there are like literally lot of damages in the table. So I decided to make one for myself. Because I'm an interior designer, तो मेरे साइट में काम होते रहते हैं. So I decided to design one table, which is this one. It's a very pretty table and I actually chose a very subtle laminate on it क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी एक वुडन लुक मुझे मिले एंड वेरी नेचुरल, बहुत नेचुरल एक लुक मिले. इट हैज़ 2 ड्रॉयर्स. एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस टेबल. टेबल इज़ 4 feet by 20 inches and it has 2 drawers in it. The best part of this table is the legs. The design is very classy, very sleek and very trendy right now. So I'm going to place this table and decorate this entire space according to my requirement, and this video is going to be rental friendly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, share with your friends and do leave a comment that if you have liked this video or not. Let's get started with this. So before we jump into the video, I would like to show you how the room looks like right now. It is pretty empty. There is nothing in this wall. There are some scratches and discoloration in the wall. That is because of the AC man. We did really horrible job. Now this is a table. I just love it. The process I'll show you right away. So first, obviously we have made a ply structure, then laminated it. It was done in my project site and then we bought it at my home last I think 2 days back. Yeah. So now the DIY I'm going to show you is going to be fascinating. We are going to make a pin board, DIY pin board. For that I am taking, actually Ram Bhaiya is taking PVC ply. These PVC ply boards are available in market. You can take normal ply also. So we are going to make a 3 feet by 2 feet size of pin board. So as you can see, we are fixing 4 sides using a glue because this is PVC, and you have to remember that corners are straight. Okay, that's it. It has to be in the right angle. I could have done this DIY, but last few weeks I am having really low blood pressure and I cannot take any physical stress. Doctor had told me to take bed rest, so that's what I am doing. So Ram Bhaiya helped me out in this. The idea was mine, but it came out really well. You will see in the video in future. So he is applying all the technique because he is a professional. The glue, you have to use glue on the 4th side and the frame is almost ready. So that you can get these PVC boards available, even small pieces available in the stores, and they will charge you 200-300 rupees for one frame, because if you want to buy this one, it will cost you a lot. So next we are going to take these jalis and cut it into pieces. These jalis are again available in local hardware stores. It will cost you around 30 to 40 rupees per square feet. According to which side you want, you can get the jali made. Now obviously we are placing the jali on top of this frame. Now what you can do is you can obviously glue it, but what we are doing is making it strong. So we are screwing screws. We are screwing it down to the frame. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So obviously Ram Bhaiya is doing that. Meanwhile, strong. So what we wanted is to make it hard and sustainable. For that we are using this picture screws, picture frame hangers. Yeah, that is the thing, and the DIY is, as you can see, ready. Okay, now I came back home and started spray painting because I didn't wanted it to be silver color. So I spray painted it in black color. I emptied the can and I started actually hand painting the corners. This is what I did. I'm using acrylic color here. The next step is to add rice light, up and down motion, and again this is going to make a very nice 3D lighted effect. I'll show you right now. Okay, this is how it looks, super cute. Even you can make headboards out of it. I think this is going to make a beautiful headboard, even picture frames. You can make it as a study table decor. Do it and let me know. Now we will bring in the table. This footage is obviously, we already had the table. Now we are adding the table here. Avikan is helping me out. Do like the video if you like the Avikan smooch. That is something he did in quarantine period. Experimented with this pooch. Now what I'm going to do is, as because this is a rental home, so I'm going to use all the rental friendly decor ideas. I'm using a marker to point out the two corners where I'm going to put a command hook. You have seen command hook in my videos previously, so here it is. The video is shaking. Now I'm taking command hooks and I have used 3A tapes on both sides to hang it. To be honest guys, this is really not really strong. You can place medium weighted items like 1 kilo, 1.5 kilo items in this. Don't go more than that because otherwise it will fall down. So command hooks are strong but not too strong. So I'm going to place the frame on top of it. Super cute. I'm making sure that everything is in place, and let's turn on the light. Perfect. Okay, perfect. It looks perfect. So moving on to the next phase, I definitely wanted some shelves which I ordered from Amazon. It never came on time, and the product was highly damaged when it came, so I decided to use the ones I have. So this is the you have seen this right in my videos previously. So I had this shelf, white shelf from my previous videos. I'm not using it currently to decor my home, so I'm using 3M tapes to shelve it, use it. And also this procedure what I am explaining right now might be confusing for you because you might think that it will not stay, it will not hold in the wall for the long time. So what I will do is I will give you a 15 days 30 days update in the comment section. So in future if you are seeing this, maybe we will get to know what if it has actually sustained. So yes, placing it on the top of the frame, I wanted 2 shelves. Actually I wanted 1 big shelf which I ordered. Next I'm going to place this beautiful DIY clock which I made few videos ago. मेरी कोई भी वीडियो कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकती है अगर मैं प्लान्स ना रखूँ. सो हियर इज़ माई प्लान एंड दिस लाइट someone gifted me actually from, I think this is from Amazon. I will link in the description box, and this is how it looks guys. This is very kiddish. I felt like it is very kiddish. I will definitely make some changes, but if you are a teen or in your early 20s, this is a perfect setup for you. So go for it. It will make you happy, and I'm using this face for last 2 to 3 days now, I think more than that, and obviously I'm super happy how it has turned out. Super cozy. Now the computer I have placed. Now time to clean it, because cleaning is also very important. I've realized that it is very dirty, so I'm going to clean it, and you can see the dirty bit behind this. So the mouse is placed, the keyboard is placed, and what's next? Okay, I'm going to place diffuser and this scented candle kind of thingy on my table, and also this self-love thing that Lazy Gardeners has sent me, not a sponsored video, but they have sent me this, so I'm placing that. And obviously this picture of Vigan and mine is very I just love it, so I'm placing it here. So here is the before after for you guys. Before, and now the after. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, nice, right? Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life So that's it guys, this is the setup. I'm going to start editing this video now. It might take some time, and I just love this way. So before we move into the next part of this video, which is basically the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching this. Like, share and subscribe. And top commenter, let's see who is the top commenter of my last video. Woohoo. Thank you so much for commenting on my video. I just love it. There are few things that we have changed in this video. I'm speaking in English, I don't know why, but show me love, share this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and agar if you have any question, do ask me in the comment section. Bye guys, see you on my next video.